that man.
Morning, you guys.
Morning.
We stayed at a Cracker Barrel last night, had a quiet night, and now this morning we are going to go to a state park, Paynes, Prairie. We've been there once before, but we're going to check it out again. We're going to do some hiking this morning before it gets too hot.
Hopefully this time we can actually see some bison and wild horses versus just the evidence of wild bison and horses, if you catch my drift.
There are lots of different kinds of wildlife at this park, so hopefully we'll see some this morning.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Let's go. So Paynes Prairie is a pretty huge park. The last time we were here, we actually were up in this area. So today we're up on the north side of the park, and we're gonna hike into here a little bit. I've heard that there's a lot of times where you can actually see the horses up in this area, but I mean, it's such a big park, they roam around, so you never know where they are. And I think later today we'll probably try down in this end of the park. So to get into the park, we cross this bike trail. It's the Gainesville Hawthorne bike trail that we also went on with our bikes when we were here last time. There's just a lot to do and see here. A lot of areas to explore.
Expect these guys to be moving insane. Obviously, I'm having a really good day. So this is going to be the release vlog as we're going to watch the eastern coral snake go back to its habitat. This is a really good sized female. But I tell you something, trying to get photos can be a headache. They just don't do well with photography. All right. As we're wrapping it up at 9:39 in the morning, we're going to continue to see what else we can find. Stay tuned. I have a YouTube channel.
What's your channel?
B&D Herpetology Productions.
I'll have to check that out.
First record for a Chua. Fourth Venomous this year.
Yeah.
Now I just got to see the diamondback and the copperhead. I completed the L6.
Cool. So that was pretty cool right out of the gate. See something interesting like that, a poisonous snake. What kind of was it?
Coral snake.
Coral snake. That's pretty cool.
And we've got some pretty tradescantia growing here at the entrance. I wasn't expecting it to be like this at the beginning. This reminds me a lot of the Sweetwater wetland that we went to last year during our visit in this area. It's really nice with the boardwalk and all these trees, and then it's open area straight ahead. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife. Kind of wild to sit in here watching this alligator. He'd gone up under all the green stuff, down under, came back up. I just got some pics of him camouflaged. Not sure where he went. You see any of the green stuff moving? Oh, there he is. He just came up over there. Alright, you see him? Limpkin babies. I think they're limpkins. I almost walked right by. That is the cutest thing. It's amazing that it's right here.
Do you know what kind of bird that is?
I think it's a limpkin.
A limpkin?
I think so. That is too cool.
Yeah.
So, I'd say we're off to a pretty good start this morning, just within several minutes of getting here. Seeing the coral snake, the alligator, the baby limpkins. How cute were they? It's hard to get footage of them. Hope we got some good pics and video. We'll see. So there's basically gators all over in here. We've seen several swimming now, several up on the bank over there, there's one swimming near the edge over here. Doesn't that figure? It seems to happen to us so often. So when I first discovered this park, I had read about this trail because it's often the trail where you see the wild horses. It's closed, but we still saw some amazing stuff. I think there's a little bit more we can walk on, and then later today we'll try on the other end and maybe we can get out in some of the same area. We're still on a search for wild horses and bison. Look at this little guy.
Means 6 more weeks of summer.
Well, that was fun. We saw a lot of stuff in just a short amount of time. Now we have to get somewhere where there's some sun, though. We need to get our solar charged up. We're down to what?
I think we're about 20%, which is pretty low for us.
Yeah, but where we were yesterday, we were parked in the shade all day. So we're going to go get some sun and go to the library, get some work done.
Come along, join us.
Yeah.
You don't have a choice.
Time for lunch. Tuna means it's treat time for little Gray Gray. Is that good, Gray Gray? Is that good? Sounds like it. Got some tuna, strawberries, radish. Alright. Here you go.
Thank you.
What? So here's some real van life, you guys. We had much different plans today. We actually were planning on going back to Paynes, Prairie, the state park, on the south side to try to fill up with water and maybe see if we could get showers. But we ended up having to be at the library till 5 o'clock, which it is now, because we had so much work to do. So We really need water, and we just happened to be looking around here. There's a park behind the library. We drove back there to see if we could find water, but we didn't see anything. We just happened to find some right over here. There's a little community garden, and there's plenty of spigots, so we're gonna fill up. So we took out the fresh water. We need to dump the gray water soon too, but the biggest thing is we need some fresh water. Before Steve got the jug out, I did come over to test to make sure the spigot actually was working. Alright, stocked up on water, that worked out. Look at this nice little community garden here. Not sure how it works. So thank you, Fred Cone Park Community Garden members, for letting us have some water. I had a client last night, they had an emergency, they had a new website that they needed uploaded right away. So instead of washing my hair last night, that's what I did in the Cracker Barrel parking lot. We parked up right next to the restaurant and used their Wi-Fi so I could get the work taken care of. And it didn't go so great with the web host, so I actually had to call support and was on the phone for quite a while. Finally got things figured out, but by then it was too late to wash my hair, so that's what I'm going to be doing tonight, hopefully.
Our wastewater is pretty right.
Is it?
Yep.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
So we looked at Google Maps and we found out that there is a nature center type place just like 2 miles up the road from the library. So we came in here to check it out.
Trying to figure out where we are in relation to where we want to go.
And how's that going?
I don't know, it depends where you want to go. Looks like there's a little pond right here maybe we could check out. Apparently we're right here.
Oh, there's a lot in here. Steve, don't misbehave.
Too late. Look at this cute little place. Did you find our home for the night?
I did.
Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it definitely does.
Well, if there's anything we're good at, it's finding the closed trails.
That seems to be what we're really good at. Well, now we're trying another trail. This is a living farm up here, I guess. I don't know what we can see at this late hour, since it's after 5. I don't know if the animals will be out or not, but I guess there's animals that you usually can see. More plant matter that's kind of cool. Some thistles. Foiled again. Farm hours till 4:30.
Striking out this evening.
Yep. The door is closed.
Water fountain works.
Well, there's a little peek at the farm. I think this is a clear sign that we cannot enter.
Wonder if this fence is electrified. Only one way to find out. Just kidding.
Should we go left? Or should we go right? I'm gonna vote right. There's not much shade that way, and it's a pretty hot day. More fungi. I'm not sure my fascination with these, why I have a fascination with these, but I just think they're cool. Go for the swamp monster.
So we got ourselves a little twisted up here. This map isn't the greatest.
No. This doesn't make any sense this doesn't make any sense according to this map. at all.
And the sun is starting to set, so hopefully we can figure this out here soon.
Back where we were. So we went all the way up here.
I don't think that's right.
Yes.
No,
Hey, that's where this bridge is.
no.
Why? It just makes sense of what we just did.
All right. So after a few seconds of confusion and minor terror, we are back on track. At least we know where we are.
Thank goodness for the Google Maps. Look, we got the little kitty out of her hiding spot. She's actually in the front seat, enjoying life a little bit.
So what's on the menu tonight, Audra?
It's pasta with tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, and sausage.
Yummy. All right, well, we were just informed that they're closing the park here in a couple minutes. So we have to kind of rush.
We thought it was open till 9. It's just about 8 right now.
So we have to rush and put some things away, kind of haphazardly.
Since there's the parking lot nearby for the library, I think we're just going to go there and eat real quick, and then we'll finish cleaning everything up. Now we're back at Cracker Barrel. It's been a long day, so time for us to turn in.
Well, thanks for tagging along. We enjoyed the company. As always, drop us a comment. Let us know you're watching. We love hearing from you.
See you next time.
See ya.
If you find our videos entertaining, informative, or inspiring, we also hope you'll consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps put gas in our tank both figuratively and literally.
Don't worry, folks. It's really me. I'm Batman.